Komachielo en ni Kweth mabende kwedo piny owacho koro seyo mokalo jatend migao mar arita kwe mayie Kipchumba Murkomen kanyakla kod ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja ewi bang' chochni mabende nchani obet e romo mabende ne gibago mano mar siasa e kaunti ma Murang'a, mano mabende notimre chieng' Jumapil. Kweth no kotelnegi kod Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa kod Martha Karua medo mana seyo piny owacho kuom chochni mabende gisebedo ka giyudo e rombe mag siasa magisebedo ka gibago e pacho kae.
As the united opposition, we will not be silent as our country is auctioned. We will not bow down to intimidation. We will not allow the proliferation of fake news and propaganda to define our time.
We expect IPOA to treat this evidence with the grave concern that it deserves. We can no longer allow the brazen criminal acts and subversion of the rule of law to continue because of orders from above. We are saying enough is enough.
But also we must say this to William Ruto. The tons and tons of imported sugar that we know you and your cronies are very important. It is now very clear that there was a plot for you and your cronies to bring in the sugar.